So now that I'm done, I've had to cut in a bit more to get that kind of taper that Ironman has. Just bought in some stuff. Had jawline that needed trimming back because it was kind of flaring out a bit. So I trimmed that up and retaped. I bought in that angle, on the eyes, tucked that back and got all the shape happening. I pushed in, kind of got that curve happening here and here. I probably should have left this all as one piece rather than cutting it up in sections, but that's how, you know, the diagram goes. So, you know, save yourself some time there. And these ones at the back, the diagram shows that these have a little piece on there that goes up and down. You don't really need that because this one at the bottom just does that. So, you know, you don't see it interlapping into each other. So you just do the one at the bottom, not the one at the top. And yeah, and now I'm just gonna give it a coat of lacquer and add some tissue paper to it, just so I get some stability to it. Shake it up. Thanks, bud. He's shaking. So far, so good. Cut the lenses out of my favorite glasses.
Huh?
Hang on, buddy.